Have you ever felt like you are running a marathon on a treadmill? The pace keeps increasing, but the scenery never actually changes. We spend our entire lives chasing this glittering, elusive concept called success. Yet most of us are just guessing our way through the dark with blind hope. What if I told you that the secret to a life of abundance is not found in willpower? The truth is that your results in life are a lagging measure of your systems. They are not a measure of your goals, but of your daily execution. This is a hard truth to swallow for many people. If you are struggling to move the needle in your career, the problem is not you. The problem is your lack of a repeatable framework. In this video, we are going to deconstruct the philosophy of systems. We will explore why they are the only reliable bridge to the life you want. We will look at how pilots and surgeons use these structures to stay safe. We will see how elite entrepreneurs achieve the impossible. They do it while staying completely calm and centered under pressure. I will also share 5 specific systems that you can install today. These will help you start seeing immediate, compounding, and massive results. My name is Amy. I am a doctor-turned-entrepreneur and author. My mission is to help you build a life that you genuinely and sincerely love. If you are ready to stop leaving your future to chance, let's dive in. Let us begin by addressing the elephant in the room. What does success actually look like when you strip away the filters? We need to ignore the social media noise and the constant comparisons. Many people define success as a final destination. They think of a specific bank balance or a prestigious job title, or perhaps a big house on a hill with a luxury car. But that is a dangerous trap that leads to burnout. Real success is actually the process of consistently working toward goals. These are goals that you intrinsically care about for your own reasons. It is not enough to just reach the top of the mountain. Not if you have wrecked your physical health to get there. Not if you have destroyed your relationships along the way. A successful life must be, first and foremost, a balanced life. Your professional triumphs should not come at the expense of your vitality. They should never cost you your mental peace. Furthermore, you have to find a way to enjoy the journey itself. That is where the vast majority of your actual life takes place. If you arrive at a destination but hated the climb, the victory is hollow. It will feel quite meaningless in the long run. You will realize far too late that happiness is not in the achievement. It is found in the person you become while you pursue it. Therefore, we need to find a way to take the right actions consistently. But we must maintain a sense of playfulness and curiosity. Approach your life with an attitude of non-attachment to specific outcomes. Then you suddenly find the freedom to perform at your absolute best. This is where systems come into play for high achievers. They allow you to focus on the process instead of the finish line. But how exactly do we define a system for our daily existence? You can think of a system as a network of interconnected parts. These are processes that work together to produce a predictable result. These components might be simple individual actions or checklists, or they could be sophisticated processes for your business. Checklists ensure that nothing important falls through the cracks. Essentially, a system is a step-by-step set of default behaviors. It removes the need for constant, exhausting decision-making. It saves you from relying on your fleeting and unreliable willpower. When you systemize your approach, you are building a powerful engine. This engine drives you toward your goals even when you are tired. Take the world of aviation as a primary example of this. Pilots operate where the stakes are literally a matter of life or death. Air travel is safe not because pilots are superheroes or geniuses. It is safe because they follow rigid, proven systems every single time. Every single flight begins with a detailed, mandatory checklist. Every emergency has a specific practice protocol to follow. Even the design of the aircraft follows a system developed over decades. If a pilot decided to wing it, the results would be catastrophic. Similarly, in medicine, we do not rely on a doctor's mood. We do not rely on their memory to save a patient's life. We follow systems like the Calgary-Cambridge method for interviews. This ensures that we gather every single relevant piece of information. Even a surgeon with 50 years of experience uses a safety checklist. It prevents avoidable errors and common surgical complications. Systems provide a floor for our performance and consistency. They ensure we meet a high standard of excellence every single day. In a professional business environment, the value of systems is obvious. No company could scale without marketing or operations frameworks. However, most of us fail to apply this to our personal lives. These same principles can be truly life-changing for you. My friend Jeff Su uses a brilliant visual to describe this. He compares effort with systems versus effort without systems. Without a system, the effort remains high and very inconsistent. You have to use your brain to figure out what to do every morning. With a system, there's a higher initial investment of energy. You have to take the time to build the framework first, but then the effort required for maintenance drops significantly. I experienced this personally during my first years of weight training. I was just going to the gym whenever I felt motivated. I would walk in, look at the machines, and do whatever seemed fun. This led to almost zero progress in my overall physique. It was only when I followed a rigid, systemized program that I grew. It was based on the concept of progressive overload. Suddenly, I finally started to see real changes in my body. I stopped guessing and started following a proven set of actions. These actions had already worked for thousands of people before me. The same logic applies to a business owner doing sales calls. You can either vibe and hope for the best, or you can use scripts. A salesperson with a script will always outperform a random approach. Systems allow you to outsource your discipline to your environment. This is the only way to achieve long-term, sustainable success. By removing the mental friction, you free up your cognitive energy. You save that energy for the actual work that matters. The first system you should install is for goal setting. A goal without a plan is just a fleeting, empty wish. Most people treat the new year like a random starting line. They shout their desires into the void and forget them by February. You must have a recurring process for reviewing your objectives. Otherwise, you will succumb to the drift of daily distractions. I use a framework called the GPS system for my life. That stands for Goal Planning System. It keeps my life aligned with my deepest personal values. It starts with a life compass exercise I do once a year. I spend a few hours thinking about what I want my future to look like. From there, I create a 3-year sketch or a vision board. This turns abstract feelings into a concrete visual representation. Every 90 days, I define what I call quarterly quests. These are specific, measurable missions for a single season. This prevents me from feeling overwhelmed by massive dreams. It keeps me focused on immediate and manageable tasks. Finally, I use the balanced week blueprint for my calendar. I translate those quarterly goals into my daily blocks. This ensures my time actually reflects my real priorities. This system allows me to zoom out from the daily noise. It ensures that I am moving in the right direction consistently. It takes a few hours, but it provides incredible peace of mind. You stop being a passive passenger in your own life. You start becoming the intentional architect of your success. The second essential framework is a robust time management system. Time is the most precious and non-renewable resource we possess. Every one of us has exactly 168 hours a week. How we spend those hours determines our overall quality of life. Subtract sleep and basic maintenance, and you have 100 hours left. These are your hours of potential productivity and deep joy. For most, those hours are swallowed by mindless screen time, or they are lost to unplanned meetings and general chaos. A good time management system must include time blocking. This is the practice of assigning a job to every hour of the day. I block out time for my workouts and my deep work sessions. I even block out quality time with my husband and my family. When it is on the calendar, it becomes a real commitment. You also need a method for prioritization in your daily tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix to distinguish what really matters. Learn to separate the truly important from the merely urgent. Finally, incorporate a weekly reflection period into your routine. Review your calendar and adjust it based on what actually happened. This prevents you from repeating the same mistakes week after week. You do not need to be a slave to your schedule, be its master. Be intentional with your minutes to be fully present in your rest. The third pillar of success is what I call Health OS. This is a system for optimizing your physical well-being. Before this system, I was eating whatever was convenient. I was sleeping only when I finally collapsed into my bed. Now, I follow default behaviors for elite performance and energy. My sleep system involves keeping my bedroom at 66 degrees. I put my phone away exactly 2 hours before I plan to sleep. Reading on a Kindle helps my mind transition to deep relaxation. I use a sleep tracker to monitor my recovery and my readiness. Regarding diet, my system involves meal prepping on Sundays. I never have to make a difficult decision about food during the day. Automating nutrition avoids the decision fatigue that leads to junk food. My exercise system involves 3 weight training sessions a week. I also add several sessions of low-intensity cardio for my heart. I track my steps with a goal of 10,000 every single day. I use a walking treadmill at my desk to stay active during calls. When health is systemized, you no longer have to debate with yourself. This baseline provides the foundation for everything else you do. The fourth system is for maintaining and deepening relationships. These give your life its ultimate meaning and human purpose. It might sound unromantic to systemize your social life, but the truth is, busy relationships often suffer from neglect. If you do not schedule time for love, work will push it away. I have a non-negotiable weekly date night with my husband. We also perform regular reviews of our relationship. We talk about our goals and how we can support each other. For friendships, I use standing order social events. This could be a monthly book club or a weekly gaming night. This removes the friction of coordinating busy calendars. I even have a system for remembering birthdays and cards. I have reminders set weeks in advance so I can be thoughtful. Socially connected people are not just lucky, they are intentional. Ensure the people who matter receive the best version of your time. Stop hoping you will find the time. Start ensuring it exists. The fifth system is a financial framework for your security. Waiting until the end of the month to save is a dangerous strategy. A much better system is to pay yourself first every single time. Set up automatic transfers to your savings immediately. Allocate funds for rent, bills, and investments automatically. Use low-cost index funds for your long-term wealth building. This is a systemized way to capture global economic growth. Automating finances removes the emotional stress of the markets. Review your expenses once a month to stay aligned with your values. Financial awareness is not about deprivation, it is about control. Wealth is rarely a fluke, it is the result of a consistent system. Financial peace allows you to take more risks and live your terms. Building these 5 systems might seem like a lot of work, but remember the distribution of effort over a long time. Designing your systems today will pay dividends for decades. You will have more energy, more time, and more authentic joy. You will no longer be fighting against your own impulses every day. Success is not a destination you reach by accident or luck. It is a state of being achieved through deliberate design. Pick just one of these systems to start building today. Take the first small step toward implementing a better habit. Set up one transfer or block out one night for a date. The key is to start building the framework of your life now. Could the version of you that succeeds just follow better rules? Rules do not limit freedom. Good systems actually provide it. When you do not worry about health or money, you are free. You are free to pursue the big ideas that change the world. The most successful people I meet are usually the most calm. They have built a world where right actions happen by default. Do not let another year go by reacting to other people's demands. Take control of the machine that is your life and its gears. Start fine-tuning everything so your life runs smoothly. You deserve a life that feels good on the inside, not just outside. Every small adjustment today will compound into a transformation. I am cheering for you and your extraordinary hidden capacity. Let us make every hour count with noble and high ambitions. Believe in the power of the process, and results will follow. You have the map, the tools, and the systems to succeed. Do not try to fix everything at once and risk total burnout. Pick the area where you feel the most friction or chaos. Focus on that one system until it becomes a part of you. Then you will have the bandwidth for the next challenge. This is the path of incremental systemic improvement. You do not need to be perfect, just be better than yesterday. Systems are the bridge between your present and your future. I am so excited to see how these ideas change your reality. Thank you for giving me your valuable time and attention. We are in this together, and I am here to support your growth. Never forget that you are the captain of your own soul. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and stay true to your dreams. Be kind to yourself while you build this new version of you. The world is waiting for what you can offer through your systems. Your daily rituals are the bricks of your future greatness. If these tips were helpful, please hit the like button below. Subscribe to the channel to join us on this exciting journey. Your comments and experiences are very important to this community. Take care of yourself, stay curious, and never stop growing. I look forward to seeing you in the next video very soon. Goodbye for now, and I will see you in the next one.